Welcome to the day 5 of the Prana and the Pranayama yoga series. I am Pushpinder, and today's pranayama practice is one that is going to cool down the body as well as the mind. It's a practice that's also great for acidity, insomnia, hypertension, and it's going to bring down the desires and too many thoughts in the mind. And even if it's very hot outside, so you're going to feel good after this practice. You can even do this after a very intense yoga or workout session. This will bring the body back to normal. So let's get into something comfortable and let's get started. Let's come into a seated position, Sukha Asana, Padmasana, or the Padmasana, whichever one you want to take today. Chair Asana. Let the palms be open to the ceiling. You can close your eyes gently. Let the spine be straight, chin parallel to the ground. Throughout the pranayamas, we keep our face relaxed, spine straight, chin parallel to the ground. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. We'll start with a prayer. You can bring the hands in front of the heart, feeling reverence for the prana shakti in which we are floating. We'll chant or simply listen to the mantra. Pranisyedam vashe sarvam tridive yat pratishtitam mateva putran rakshasva Shriishcha prajñamscha videhina iti. Asking the prana to take care of us. Slowly you may release the hands if they were in a prayer pose. Take a breath in and breathe out. And taking your time, you may gently open your eyes. The first pranayama we are going to be doing today is the Sheetali, or some can also do the Sheetkari. It's a very calming, cooling pranayama, and everyone can do it unless you have some respiratory issues, or if you're suffering from a cold, or the weather is cold, or you feel cold very, very easily. And the only other people who should not be doing is people with low BP or chronic constipation. So the rest of us all can do it. So what we are going to do in the Sheetali pranayama is we're going to simply roll the tongue. Take the tongue out as far as you can and then roll the sides as if you were forming a tube with the tongue. Just like this. So we are going to be inhaling through the mouth here and exhaling through the nose. Unless in you're a very polluted place, it's not good to breathe in through the mouth. If you're in a very polluted place, normally you can breathe for a few breaths otherwise. So we'll just roll the tongue. In case this is not possible for you, you can try it out. If this does not work out for you, you have another option to do the Sheetkari pranayama, where you just fold the tongue, touch the tip of the tongue to the upper palate, upper hard palate, and the teeth can be slightly apart. It's going to be like this. So you'll be drawing air in from the sides of the mouth rather than from that pointed jet kind of a feeling that you get in Sheetali. You'll get almost the same benefits. So it's if you've seen an earthen pot, we commonly use them in India to keep the water cool. So the water evaporates and it just basically takes away the heat from the pot, and inside the pot the water stays really cool. So in a similar way, this also does the same thing for our body. It also calms down the mind as well. So we'll do the Sheetkari or the Sheetali. You can take your pick. So we'll be breathing in through the mouth, close the mouth and exhale through the nose. Or the Sheetkari. So we're going to begin. Let's roll the tongue, inhale through the mouth, close the mouth, exhale through the nose. Once more, inhale through mouth, exhale through nose. Continue. Shoulders relaxed, chest open, eyes closed. Letting the breath be long and smooth. After completing this round, you may relax. You can slowly move around your tongue in the mouth, just rolling it around, letting the saliva move around. Let the tongue get moisturized with the saliva again. Taking a normal breath in and breathe out. Just being aware of the body, being aware of the breath. One more breath in and breathe out. Noticing how the mind feels this moment. Taking your own time, you may gently open your eyes. Anytime you are feeling a lot of emotions, lot of desires, just a lot of heat, whether in the body or the mind, you can do few rounds of Sheetali or Sheetkari pranayama. The next one we'll be doing is the Brahmari, and today we'll be doing the Brahmari pranayama with the Shanmukhi Mudra. First we'll look at the mudra. So Shan means 6, Mukh means gates. It's closing the 6 gates in the body. So we'll be closing the mouth, the 2 eyes, the nose and the ears. For the nose, we're going to be lightly keeping this. We'll not be doing any kumbhaks today, or that is breath retention. So what we'll do is keeping the little finger, you can do this with me, at the base of the lips, under the lower lip. You can keep the ring finger just above the upper lip. So it's basically closing the mouth. The intention is to go inwards. So Shanmukhi Mudra takes us inwards because we block all our senses. We'll keep the middle finger on the nose, just where the nostrils end. We'll be keeping our index finger on the eyes. You can watch for now. When we are doing, you can keep it like that. We'll just close lightly, not pressing, they're just lightly staying over there. And with the thumb, we'll be closing the flap of the ear. So this is the mudra. We'll be taking a normal breath in and we'll be breathing out through the sound that we make in Brahmari. As we close the ears, only the nose will not be closed here because we'll be inhaling and exhaling. So this is what we'll be doing again in the Brahmari. This is the sing sound. So when we may say the word sing and prolong the end sound, sing. So you notice the teeth are a little bit parted in the mouth and the lips are closed. We'll be doing 10 rounds of Brahmari today. You might not hear the instructions once you start doing it. So you can count 10 on your own. We'll be inhaling. The inhalation will be a little shorter. The exhalation is a little bit longer. And we exhale through the sound only. We don't take any other exhalation. The inhalation is normal. And through the sound, the exhalation happens. So let's come into the Shanmukhi Mudra. Let's take a breath in. And through the sound, exhale. After completing this round, relax the hands, eyes closed. Feel that you're still listening to that sound within. Next, we'll do the Nadi Shodana pranayama. If you know already, you can continue with it with the eyes closed. We'll take chin mudra with the left hand, index finger and thumb lightly touching, 3 fingers joined and pointing out. The right hand, index finger and middle finger can be in between the eyebrows or folded down. The Nasika or Nasagra mudra. Thumb on the right nostril, little finger, ring finger on the left nostril. Inhaling through both the nostrils. Close the right, exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale. Exhale. Continuing with the alternate nostril breathing. Breathing in through left, breathing out through right. Breathing in through right and breathing out through left again. Letting the breath be long, deep, continuous. As you exhale through the left nostril, relax. Palms open to the ceiling, a gentle smile on the face. Just observing the body, the breath, the mind. If you feel like, you can continue to sit still for a few moments or meditate. And if you feel like, you can bring the palms in front of the heart. We'll chant Om Shanti Shanti to conclude the practice. Inhale. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Taking your own time, whenever you feel complete, feeling grateful for the prana that uplifts us. With a smile on the face, you may gently open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed this practice. And Nadi Shodana, all of these pranayamas are super good to have a calm and composed body and mind. I wanted to share one of the things with you. When we do the Nadi Shodana, so we do it in the mudras, we adopt certain mudras. So mudras just direct the prana. So there are some certain circuits that are formed normally if the energy that gets dissipated. So it kind of forms certain circuits for prana so that the prana flows inside. There's also certain significance to keeping it on the knees. There are certain nadi, certain channels which get activated when we place the hands on the knees. It's really beautiful how our ancients had so much wisdom, so much knowledge about everything. So keep coming back to this practice whenever you are feeling you can't keep the thoughts at bay, or you're feeling too hot in the body or in the mind. Let us know how this practice was. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you for another beautiful practice. May you stay fit and calm.